Calendars in Entré help you define dates that normally scheduled events should not occur. This will keep your doors locked and the system secured on holidays and for other events. Open the configuration menu and select Calendars. Click Add to create a new calendar. Give the calendar a name and then go to the Holidays section. Click the Add button to add a new date to the calendar. Name the holiday and set a duration for the holiday. Next, select a category for this holiday, then click Save and Close to add this holiday to the calendar. Repeat this process for any other holiday dates you need to add. When complete, click Save and Close to finish working with the calendar. Now that the calendar has been created, it needs to be assigned to one or more panels. Open the configuration menu and select Hardware, then Hardware Tree. Locate the system that will use this calendar. Right-click the system and select Edit. Go to the Calendar section and select the calendar you wish to use. After that, select holiday categories for the different types of holidays in the calendar. This ties the Entré holiday types to the holiday A, B, and C categories in the panel schedule. Click Save and Close to finish assigning this calendar to the panel. Entré will automatically send the holiday dates to the panel. A single calendar can be applied to many different systems using Entré. With holiday dates set in the system, you can be sure that when the office is closed, it is also secure. For more training videos and information about Entré, visit dmp.com.